Lesson 22, Walnuts. The black walnut leaflets are very pointed. They are smaller at the top and sometimes miss the leaflet at the very top. The flowers before they open, these are the male flowers arranged in drooping catkins. Black walnut fruit is round and about the size of an apple. The husk has a strong odor and can stain hands and clothes. The nut is inside. Here's the samples of it here, dark color, and is the same walnut that you would buy in the stores. Butternut or white walnut. The butternut leaves are much fatter than the black walnut leaflets. Also, the butternut always has an end leaflet, and it is usually one of the larger ones on the whole leaf. Butternut stem. It has an interesting color to the end bud. And the fruit is more oval than the black walnut, but it too contains a seed in a protective hard coating, the same as the black walnut. Walnut trees produce chemicals called juglons, which prevent growth of other plants which are close to them. They're also rich in vitamins A, E, K, and B. Other interesting facts are listed here as well. Willows. There are two kinds of willows. The weeping willow, which is the familiar one as pictured here, and the black willow, which most people have seen but don't realize what it is. The black willow is long and pointed and often has a little tiny leaf at the base that looks like a wing. It's hard to see in most cases. The black willow is a spreading tree. Often the branches come down to the ground, but it grows usually along the edges of rivers and streams and ponds and things such as that. It likes its roots to be very moist. If you see a Google Maps or other picture where there are a lot of thick trees along the edge of a river, they are probably all black willow trees. Weeping willow trees. The leaves hang down on stems that are very flexible. They're long and narrow like the black willow, but a lighter color, usually. The flowers come out in the spring, and they're very light green. The tree, of course, is easily identifiable. One of the few trees on Tree B that most of the parents could be able to get if they were given the test. Willow flowers they come in a variety because there's many other types of willows, only two of which are trees. This one you might be familiar with as a pussy willow. All of them are willows. All of them have fluffy white fruit. If this flower is on Tree B, it would be accompanied by a leaf or some other way of identifying it. Willow roots are large and can clog drains, sewers, or septic systems and destroy sidewalks in cities. Willow trees should not be planted on front yards because the roots will search out water intake pipes and sewage pipes. Willow wood is used to make baskets, fishing nets, furniture, and toys. And willows contain a chemical used in tanning of leather. And also they contain a chemical called salicin, which is used in aspirin.